Alright. About to make entry for the first time here and see what I see. And the smell, very bad. Alright, we got parakeets flying out. Cockatiels. Supposedly the bulk of them are in. One room, but okay, they're flying back in here under this ceiling fan. Jesus Christ. And there's more in here. Jesus Christ. They're not really blocked off anywhere. Go get my nets and things. Shoot. I don't see as many as I thought there would be, but I'm betting there's going to be a lot of dead bodies in here. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get into some of them. Jesus Christ. I'm back in to try to catch you, babies.
Videoing. Situation.
Smells so delicious. Oh, we got another teal in here. Yep. I'm gonna try to get you, baby.
They're flying everywhere.
Got a teal.
Cockatiel, Britt. Got it. Good job.
Come on, baby.
He's a little noisy one. Oh, flew right by.
Let me see if there's any more in the bathroom back here before we move to a different room.
We got two on top of the fan hiding from you.
This fan?
Yep.
Oh, yep, there you go. Got one in here. Flew right into me. I'm going to crawl in here and see if there's any damage anywhere. Mice.
It's hard to see. Yeah, there's mice crawling around in here too.
Yeah. Some mice in the bathroom.
Through this way.
Oh. One flew right through me.
Right by us. We got one on the fan. There's not many left in this room. You know, caught them all.
Got a parakeet.
Parakeet.
Parakeet coming out.
Parakeet coming out.
Net got that. It works. I don't see any more in here flying right now. Probably have to move to a different room.
Already caught 20 something.
See what we can get roasted. Move this door and kind of block off to keep them from coming back in here. Yeah, there's a couple in here on this ceiling fan.
Oh, there's a few in here in front of the window. I don't know how to get to that room. There's got to be a back door back there. Yeah, there is.
I don't know how we get to that.
Where? How do they get? Oh my gosh, this is a whole room.
Wow.
That's a room?
Yeah, it is too.
It's a beautiful room at that.
Jesus, I don't know if there's any in there. We might be in trouble.
Really? Definitely gonna have to climb that.
Oh, a couple back here on this ceiling fan.
Yeah, that's how they got to everything else.
There were a couple in there earlier, but I don't see any now. Jesus, I don't know.
Oh, this is the kitchen, guys.
Trying to
Here's
find
the
a new location. He's gonna come in here. He's going in this one. Just having to climb over all of this just to be able to get to him.
That's solid garbage.
Yeah, I can make it to the living room where those are.
Oh no, in the closet.
Oh, that's a room.
Yeah, and there's an opening to his left. They're flying in on him.
Opening.
Yeah. Jeez Louise.
That's mice.
Yeah, they're everywhere in here and all this stuff. Trying to see if I can find them.
They're in the garbage.
And they're hiding in underneath of all of this stuff, so it's hard to get to them.
Got parakeet.
Got him, parakeet. Parakeet, parakeet. Oh, that one was rough.
That's a cockatoo.
Cockatoo cage. Parakeet cages. I'll make him climb out of there. Good job.
Fell down here. All this junk. Guess it can get back out when it wants to.
Wonder where the garage opening is.
I don't see any more in here.
Unless they're hidden under everything.
Yeah, except for that one that fell. We're going to wait for him to come back out.
Like 6 times.
Alright.
There's 2 parakeets in here that I can see. There's a whole.
Is that a cage back there?
It looks
There's
like
4
it.
or 5 of them. That's the kitchen.
It is.
If you step on this right here, it's steady, and then step all the way up on that box, it's steady. We're not in our truck. I was gonna say I got a light bulb.
It is the kitchen.
Yeah, it is.
Ain't
It
it crazy?
look like a room, but is that having 2 lids you crawl over everything to get to them. It's making it a lot harder. And there being a cage over there, we're gonna have to climb in over there as well.
Rats.
Oh yay. Rats are scary.
Mice and rats.
Yay.
Oh, there's a hole going into the attic.
Oh great.
I think there's some going up there.
Oh certainly. Well, I don't know how long they'd stay up there.
No, neither. They're everywhere in here.
Yeah, they're in here too.
She just jumped from one.
Gotta find some steady garbage.
Yeah, I know. I was about to say that door might have to throw that door across.
Where you at? There must be the door going down to the garage.
It's got to be.
Where'd you go, guys? Can't see very good in here.
Yeah, it's dark in there. Or is there a light on your phone?
Down there.
Yep, they're flying that way.
I can't tell from the mice or freaking birds what's what. Well, one of them went down over here. I'll crawl over here to this door and see. This might be an exit for them. Down into the garage. Yeah, there's steps.
Steps going down.
Yeah. They probably could have found their way out if they were smart enough.
Right.
Oh, it's deep over here.
Oh goodness, it's like a drop off.
Damn it. Almost had you.
There he went. Right over on the case. Oh!
Where'd that just go?
He went right behind us.
I got him.
Yeah, see if you can get him. He's not flying that fast.
Oh, there's two in here.
Took my head off. Yeah, that's why he shut the door so we could keep him in there and see how many more come out.
There's mice all over.
It's
I
hard
can't
to
see any more of them. I know there's a couple at least over there somewhere.
Yeah, he flew out.
Actually on a bird cage here. Oh yeah, they're on the ceiling fan over there.
And this one?
Yeah. I might have to come out and take a break.
Yep.
It's pretty rough this go around.
Yeah, this one's got a lot more stuff in our way that's harder to climb on. Taking a break.
Down here.
Not seeing anything. Just yet.
But all this is like bird food that's piled up down here at the bottom.
Oh wow, sure is.
And then going up to the top. I don't know, I ain't got no light.
Yeah, it's the whole floor is bird food.
Yeah. I don't know if any of them escaped down to here. Can't see anybody fluttering around.
Yeah, this would be where they're coming to
See
eat,
that
huh?
switch from the flashlight.
Yeah, there you go, bro. Have to go back up top. Garage was a bust. None down there. We closed everything up as best that we could, so they can't get down there anymore.
We're hiding out here on the ground.
And that's what I thought they might be under the dumpster.
Yep. Either some
Be
trees
careful of
or
that.
something. We did
I
something
know, that's
here.
what I told her I was gonna come and use the weed eater to cut these suckers real quick.
Alright, back in I go.
Back in. The video.
Hopefully get it floating back here again.
Got it.
Put up here on the ceiling fan again.
I think you're getting a call from Tara, Brad.
Try to get in here and get her.
We got one in this room again. really hard to get to.
Oh, that's the air conditioner's running in here.
Ah, that's
The
what they're.
window unit.
Yeah, that's where they're coming in here for.
What the hell I heard? Come on, baby. Let me catch you this time.
Parakeet.
Parakeet.
Parakeet. Bring the bin. Good catch. Here's the feisty one. Very close. Nice, nice.
I want to see it in here. I'm going to try to come out. Look at this other room again.
The parakeet's still on that thing.
In there?
Yeah, it's cute.
On the fan.
Go in here and see if there's anything out. I don't see. Out there.
And they just love crawling back to that closet on you, don't they? Or that bathroom. That'd be that bathroom.
That's where they were getting their water.
Yeah.
I don't see any of y'all standing on anything, but
No, I'm not seeing them in here.
y'all are on boxes and shit. In boxes, there ain't no fun.
Oh
in
wow,
there.
there's a light on right there.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Probably hoping this place burns to the ground.
That's nuts. So there's no more in this one?
Just a cash for houses. People be reconsidering.
Something's right here. I'm
Buying
not sure
sight
if it's
unseen
a mouse
again.
or what.
Alright, let's see. Oh, mice. I see mice. I don't see anywhere.
Have you seen the attic entrance, Brittany? Anywhere?
Try to crawl in here before I run out of steam again. I see one on the cage.
This is the
Yeah,
rest
that's
of
the
it.
one that ran from me in that back room.
Yeah, get the big net because he's not going to be able to go back into the garage. So he's going to have to come out this way. So hold it up. I don't want to get in the way and risk y'all losing it. Just hold it up the extent of the door, you know? Like that, yeah, it'll take up the whole door.
Back here. Get out of here, mice.
Go.
Damn it.
Good. No footing whatsoever in this room.
There's no, it's all boxes. Empty boxes.
You can see the extent we're going to get these things.
Oh, there's two in here.
Just make sure that they don't come out this
Three.
doorway.
There's one up here on the fan, too.
So he didn't go through that for nothing. Yep, you're uncovering them now. There's 4 of them. Keep it
Is
the
that a
extent of
little
that doorway,
finch?
Britt. Put it up. No, pull your net back to where the doorway's covered up. There you go.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, he's right there, Britt. Look at him. Oh, Britt. Mother.
You want to go out?
Yeah.
I got it.
Hold on. We can get him. Oh, where you look? Well, he's trying to take my head off. Dang it. Here, hold on, Brad. I'm gonna go grab this light real quick. Bring it over. That's why I told you keep it in the doorway.
I had it in the doorway, one under your head.
Did I get you? Where'd you go? Damn it. Knocked you down and now I can't see him. Went down into the garbage. Fuck.
Yeah, they're all in there.
None of them came out?
Nope. There's a little mouse over there in one of the cages.
You got a plug near you, Brad?
You see a plug, Brad?
Huh?
You got a plug near you?
I don't know.
Watch out, babe. Let me help
I
you.
can't see shit. Dark.
I say we probably can't find a plug in this motherfucker. Yeah, those lights are shot. Let me,
Hold on, here's my phone.
Yeah, and his phone is, I was recording on it, but we got a good, I want to get him catching these bears.
I think one of them came over here in the corner. Over here.
Yeah, be careful, because its footing is crap.
Yeah. It's dangerous in here. This is a cage.
911.
Oh. Come on. I thought I could turn the light on with the video, but
Again, if you turn on the flash. I caught a mouse, damn it.
yeah.
I thought it was a little finch.
Oh, was that a bird or was that a mouse?
I thought there was a bird over here.
You hear it? Oh, there it went. It was a mouse.
Yeah, it's probably mice.
Wow.
This door's shut, so they're all hiding in the garbage somewhere now.
Yeah, they're. Look, there's a village of mice crawling everywhere.
Yeah.
Small villagers.
I'm gonna have to come out and grab the flashlight
Yep.
and reassess and try again for these last ones.
Yeah, we need the light. If I could find a plug.
Let me see your little green net.
Little green net. Get the parakeet box ready.
Yeah, I got a parakeet.
Parakeet.
Slide backwards.
Oh no. You got it?
It's all the garbage you got. Let me get my hands on there. Alright, I'm ready.
Ready?
Go.
Nice. Caught that evasive one.
Where are you other guys at?
3 others. Babe.
I'd much rather use it up here.
Ah, shit. Step on my net and pin it.
Hey, that sucker's hanging in there, man.
At least you know you could get around corners now.
Who knows, they could be up in this attic.
That's what I was thinking. I think they're crawling up that hole there.
Could be a bunch of them up there.
So I'm looking for the opening.
It's all thick over here with bird food too. I'm standing on feet of bird food. I mean, I could see up here, but don't see any right ground.
The attic is probably in a closet somewhere.
watch out.
There you go, guys.
Just keep the video on him. If he catches one.
A couple of you left somewhere. Where are you?
Yeah, we got clear back here. They ain't moving or none.
I don't see it anymore.
And there's hose on that wall right there.
They could definitely be up in this
Here,
attic.
babe, you take this and I'm gonna leave back here. Oh, you got that.
They could definitely be in this attic. Definitely hiding underneath the garbage.
He's trying to see if the attic has an opening in one of these closets.
Let's hope this is plugged in. I'm just gonna hope that it's plugged in.
Sorry, bird cages, but I'm not taking them with you.
That is weird. Here, babe.
One went down there. But you might be
And he said that if you get up, you could reach the ceiling through.
it is, you might be dead. Shoe came untied. Damn it.
Well, that's just perfect.
Yep.
Can we put light in that ceiling fan in there?
If I had an extension cord, I could give him all the light he needs. And I've just found another one that I can't get out from under the stuff in there. Like it's that buried. I just tried to move this refrigerator. Nothing.
Should I crawl down here? I think I see one.
Madison said I sat the food somewhere.
So I came by my car.
Probably.
I don't know if that's a goddamn newspaper.
Extension cord?
I don't see any more. There's a big tail. There's a mouse. All I'm seeing is mice now.
That's all I hear.
Yep. And we know there's at least a couple more in here someplace.
Yeah.
They're getting them out. I don't know
They're
where they
hiding.
went to. Probably hiding up in the attic.
That's what I'm thinking. Seeing that hose there. You found the attic? Yeah. Oh, nice.
Scary.
Yeah. Check the attic entrance. Now.
Oh shit. He must have brave opening that refrigerator.
Close that.
Where are we at?
Right here.
In that room?
Tell which room you're in.
You in this room? Yeah, she's in this room.
Right here.
Watch out, footing.
Getting up there. Nope. I ain't getting up there.
Is it tight?
Yeah, it's one of those little.
Oh,
They're coming out. They're coming out.
great.
Is that a nail? Yeah.
Let me get the camera up there with a light. Just having to check under everything because they're hiding.
Let's see anyone here.
Found a few under some stuff. Making sure.
Get this room here. I guess one more look over.
Yep. When we first walked in, that's all you could hear was birds chirping. Now we're just getting some mice. Yeah, I went ahead and unplugged that light.
Oh, okay. Saw a couple fall down there, but they must have got back out. I don't see them now. Oh, my shoes dug up through my booties.
Oh, great.
Don't see any more in here. As of now, I don't see any more.
All right.
Till they come back out. And they're hiding spots in the attic.
Yeah, when them fellas get to moving stuff around in here, might uncover a few more. Done ripped out his booty. The net has taken a beating. Guys, the net has taken a beating.
I guess nothing else, we thinned out the numbers, so the couple left will have longer to survive till we can get them out, I guess. It's time for a break.
Time for a break.
Let's see this gut bag. We got about a dozen keats in here, about a dozen teals in there. Get them all in, get them some water, and get them set up. Some food. They all look like they're struggling. Got some of them with lice. So I'm gonna have to dust them all. Some I know, some overgrown beaks. Honestly, anything that got injured in there wasn't gonna survive for long. In a cage with just a single parakeet in it. There's a goose we picked up on the way back. Yeah, anything that got hurt in there, anything wasn't going to survive for long. It's just too many mice and things that would eat them. So they mostly all hung out on the ceiling fan and up off the ground as much as they could, trying to stay away from them. And they all sitting with their eyes closed. And they all had to go to leaky faucets in the bathrooms to be able to get anything to drink. And it was just horrible. It's the worst place I've ever seen, been in, heard of, anything. I mean, I've seen the hoarding shows on TV. So it's worse than that. And there's only about 30 or so birds, 30 to 40 birds at the most, so that wasn't horrible in that respect, but it was awful. It was the worst place I've ever been in my life. Alright, got everybody unloaded. Settled in cages for the night. 6 teals in this cage. 2 of the more sickly, overgrown beaks in the bottom, so 10 teals altogether. 5 keats in each one of these cages. 3 in here and 4 in this one. It's kind of just a wait and see to see who makes it till morning. We lost 2 before we even got back to the house. And there's been others that died, but I mean, these birds have been on their own for 3 months. The fact that any of them have survived at all It's a miracle. We're gonna see if we can help pull through the rest of the way and make it till morning. Hopeful.